Okay, up to the final question, number 10. And I guess this is what a bit of the crux of what this whole podcast is about is, leaving something for my daughter, a book hopefully that she can go back on, or your kids. And one of the big questions is not how to lose money. How don't you lose money? And Warren Buffett is quoted as saying, rule number 1, investing, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. But what he didn't say was, how do you not lose? He didn't give us a playbook. So how do you not lose money, Steve?
Unpopular opinion on this one, Tyron. I'm actually against the quote. I actually think, and we sort of alluded to it at the start of the conversation, you should be able to lose money in the younger years. Try things, learn from them, but you have to learn from it. Like I said, start a business, put some money in the shares, put some money in property, try some things while you've got the bank of mum and dad to fall back on and you're kind of low risk. However, but like I said, to make money, and this is what I believe he's referring to with the quote, is focus on the long term. So as long as you're buying like something with a finite resource and you're playing the long term game, you might lose in the short term, but long term you'll be all right. But I've got nothing wrong with learning from mistakes. Like that's how you can scale.
Now, I love that you turn that upside down.